Hi guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this natural looking Afro kinky wig. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Like a wave returns to the sea. The first requirement for this tutorial is a cap. I'll be using this cap, but then you don't have to use the exact cap that I'm using on this tutorial. You can use the normal wig cap that I can lose. I'll be using this Afro kinky hair number 350, and then also you can use any other type of Afro kinky hair. Just make sure it's Afro kinky. You came into my life. So the first step is to cut the hair into half. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. And then cut the half into half again. So I wanted my wig to be short, and then at the same time I didn't want to use so many bundles or so many packs of hair. That's why I decided just to cut and make it short instead of like crochet the hair on the cap and then cut it to make it shorter. Returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can lose. Each painful but delightful. So I cut the hair into half twice, and I really didn't like the length. I felt like it was too long for my liking, okay, for the style that I wanted to create. I took the hair that I already cut like twice into half and then cut it again. Not for long, just a time, just like another. So as you can see, the hair that I cut thrice is pointing up. If I decide to use this other one that I cut twice, I'll end up using more hair, and then also I'll have to trim the hair to, you know, to the shape that I want or to the length that I want. So I took the other pieces that were left and cut it again. So you have to cut the hair thrice. Fold it the first time, cut it, the second time cut it, and then the third time then cut it, if you want your wig to look the same as mine. And also, like, that is going to also save you, you know, some money. You're not going to use more hair. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. So I'm going to crochet the hair on the entire cap. And then another thing that I advise you to use is a medium size crochet needle, because I felt like mine was too big. The crochet needle was big. I always have like 3 sizes of crochet needle: the small one, the tiny ones that I use to do the ventilation, and the medium size, and this big one. I didn't find the medium one, that's why I decided to use the bigger one. But then if you have the medium size one, just use it, because it kind of quickens up the process. Remember, the hair that you're using is short, so if you use this bigger crochet, you might take time, like you might pull the hair and then the entire goes through the loop, and then you have to repeat the process. So if the needle is medium size and the hair is short, it kind of quickens up the process. Like, you won't spend more time on one hair. So guys, just comment down below if you love this color, because I really love it. I really love this color. And also comment down below if you love this style. I had 2 packs of this Afro kinky hair, and each pack had 2 bundles. I used 3 bundles, so I had like 1 bundle left. So you're just going to crochet this hair on the entire cap, and then if you feel like there are spaces, you can just fill them after you put it on your head, and you feel like there are some spaces, you can fill the spaces later. Because, okay, sometimes the dummy head can be bigger or it can be small. So when you try it on, that's when you'll know if you've, you know, crocheted the entire cap, or that's when you'll know if you've covered the, you know, the spaces. Changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing. So this is the hair that is left, 1 bundle. So I'm just going to try this hair on, and then if there are spaces at the back or anywhere, I'm just going to fill the spaces. And then of course you have to trim so that, you know, the hair is the same length and shape as well. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another. So this is my beautiful wig. It has 2 combs on the sides and 1 at the back. So you can sew an elastic band on this cap if you want to, but then you crisscross the adjustable strap to make it fit. So this week I just wanted my hair to breathe. I didn't want to do the cornrows, so I'm just going to try this wig on my natural hair, and then I'm wearing these caps just to make the hair flat. So insert the combs in your cornrows or in your hair just to make the wig secure on your head. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my... If you use black hair and then you push it behind like this, it will blend so well with your natural hair, like no one is going to tell that it's a wig. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like... That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Just like another season.